Finners, can you play hide and seek? Go hide. Go hide. Can you say boo? Go say boo. Okay, ready? Hide. 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 Oh, where's Finners? Where's Finners? There he is. Is that right? Is that your blanket? Finn, what does a cow say? Moo. What does a dog say? Woof woof. What's outside? Is it raining? Finn, what does a dinosaur say? Rawr.
What?
What's a horse say?
Neigh.
What's a sheep say?
Bah.
That's right. What does a cat say? Meow.
A cow?
What's a cow say?
Cow.
That's right. What does a duck say?
Quack, quack.
Very good. What's a bear say? Rawr. What's Daddy say? Tee-hee. Tee-hee. Hey, where's your nose?
Boo.
Where's your ear? Where's your eye?
Daddy.
Where's your hair? That's right. Where are your fingers? Where are your toes?
Stop.
Are they down on your foot? That's right. Can you wave hi?
Bah.
Say hi.
Ah.
Hi. Good job.